Hey guys, Sean from Srkcycles. I just want to say, today I turned 33, and I'm so incredibly blessed to have such great friends and awesome people around me. And a lot of people, I want to share with some of you guys. A lot of people sent me some really nice birthday wishes, and I want to share the nicest ones and the most appropriate ones.
Hey, I'm still mad at you for that time I went up on the roof to get that frisbee down and you kicked my ladder over and left me up there for 3 hours.
I just want to let you know it was pretty scum of you to take the tailgate off my truck while I was in Dunkin' grabbing a coffee.
Stop bending all the spoons and use an ice cream scooper.
Hey Sean, I saw you push my kid down at the playground the other day. That's messed up.
Hey, I know that was you that took off with my sneaker that time I was in the attic and my foot fell through the ceiling. I want my Nike back.
Gee, thanks, Sean, at Srkcycles.
Please stop siphoning gas out of my car.
Sean, thanks for the 5 broken ribs. Next time I come walk your dog, can you throw 10 cents of rock salt down on your walk so I don't fall and break my back?
Take the trash out.
Yo, Sean, remember when you asked to borrow my car because you had to take your dog to the vet? I said, you don't even have a dog? And you said, yeah, I do. And I said, you better not take that stupid smelly goat in my car. And you said, no, I won't do that. And then you know what? I know you took that goat in my car because I walked into my garage the next day and you left the goat in my car and it was chewing my seats. Come get your goat.
Don't eat off my plate and don't drink my drink.
Sean, every day for 3 years, you've brought your dog to my lawn to take a dump. I'm tired of that.
Johnny, I'm gonna need you to stop stealing the blankets all night.
Hey Sean, stop stealing my lunch money for freaking tank straps, man.
And here are some of the nicest things that you guys who couldn't figure out how to properly use your phone or a video camera said to me on comments of my videos. I really appreciate you guys too.
Never know what's in store when we're rowdy and bored. Honey, can we catch some floating fireflies? Let them light our way tonight through the neverland skies. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young.
Love you guys.
For real though, stop trying to steal my shoes.